Romper el hielo. This is a common phrase to say, and this is something that we can translate literally. Okay, so this is good news. That's good news, definitely. Romper el hielo. Romper el hielo means to break the ice. So if everyone is quiet, or if you're with someone and there's just silence, then this is a perfect phrase for that situation. Okay? It means the same thing. I mean, it can be used literally. You know, you're breaking the ice literally. But it also means, it's like an idiom, like a common phrase to say just to break the ice. Okay? Let's break the ice. Let's just tell a joke. It happens. It happens. For example, Miguel contó chistes. Miguel contó chistes para romper el hielo. Miguel contó chistes para romper el hielo. This means Miguel told jokes to break the ice. Okay, very simple. I mean, I hope Miguel's jokes were good. Because if it's not a good joke and everybody is silent, then it can be a problem, definitely. Okay. Miguel means, Miguel. Contó chistes, the whole phrase here. Contar chistes. Obviously, contó is conjugated. It's a verb, and it's conjugated in preterite tense, past tense. It already happened. So, contó comes from contar. When you use the phrase contar chistes, that means to tell jokes, okay? Chistes means jokes. So it's a common term for sure. Los chistes, the jokes. El chiste, the joke, okay? Contar chistes, to tell jokes. Contó chistes means told jokes, okay? Para, similar to, para means quite a few things, but if you want to give an explanation, you can use this word, and it means for, in order to, or to. So sometimes it means by, okay? But it's used, this word is used if you want to explain, why is Miguel telling jokes? Why? Because Miguel wants to break the ice. Para, to romper el hielo. Break the ice. Okay? We didn't conjugate the verb romper in this situation, because when you say para, the thing coming after that, or the word that is coming after that, is, especially if it's a verb, usually you need it in the infinitive form, which means you don't conjugate it. You leave the ending er, ir, and er, ir, ar. Okay? So, para romper el hielo, to break the ice. Para comer, to eat. Para cocinar, to cook. Para correr, to run. Okay? So, you're just giving the explanation in this situation why Miguel is telling jokes. So he wants to break the ice. Para romper el hielo. Excellent. Remember, the H sound is silent in Spanish, so you don't say hielo. You need to say hielo, 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 okay? Hielo. It's like saying yellow, the color yellow, but without the lo, you just say hielo. hielo. Okay? Excellent. Excellent. Now let's look at the next example. And remember, you can ask questions. You can ask questions. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Okay. The next example is: solo quería decir algo que rompiera el hielo. Solo quería decir algo que rompiera el hielo. You can also say para que rompiera el hielo. But let's just leave it like that. This means I just wanted to say something that would break the ice. Okay, so that's more, that's a closer translation. If you use para, the translation changes a little bit. So never mind, let's just leave it simple like that. But essentially, you're just saying something to break the ice. Okay, yo solo quería. Okay, solo. By the way, solo, sometimes, nowadays you cannot have the accent mark for this specific word, and it's gonna be fine. Okay, so that's an updated thing that happened grammatically, but it's all good. You can have it with the accent mark or not. And solo can mean two things. One, alone, but technically with the accent mark, it means only. Okay, only. So, or just as well. I forgot that. In some situations, it means also just. Yo solo quería, I just wanted. That's the meaning. Yo solo quería, you don't need yo, but it's there, okay? It's there. Yo solo quería, I just wanted. Quería comes from the verb querer, which means to want. And this is conjugated in, I forgot the term, one sec. Conditional tense, okay? Conditional. Yo solo quería, I just wanted. Oh, hang on. It's really, okay, hang on. It's imperfect. Sorry, I'm correcting that. Yo solo quería, I just wanted. Sorry, I don't know what happened there. Decir comes from the verb, or actually it's a verb, and it means to say or just say. When you say yo solo quería or solo quería, it's like saying I just wanted to ... Okay, so you are adding more to the sentence. In this situation, you're adding another verb, and it is in the infinitive form, so you don't conjugate it. And decir means to say or just say in this situation. Algo means something, okay? Something, algo, something. Algo que comer, something to eat, okay? Algo para ver, something to watch. So, very interesting word there, sorry. Que means that and also what, but without the accent mark, it means that, okay? Rompiera would break. El hielo, the ice. So right here, we are conjugating the verb. In the first example, we didn't, but here we did. So you can do it. You can do that, of course. It's a verb, so you can conjugate it. Excellent. Remember, romper el hielo is a verb / phrase that means to break the ice. When you want, you don't want it to be awkward or uncomfortable, you don't want it to be uncomfortable. You just want to say something, right? To break the ice. Excellent.